In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a message in Microsoft Teams. Sharing a specific message is really handy when you want to point someone directly to an important note, update, or comment, without making them scroll through a long chat. Instead of taking screenshots or copying and pasting text, you can simply generate a link to that exact message and send it wherever you need. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app, and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and click on Chat. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live. If you don't see the chat you're looking for right away, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person or group. After you've opened the relevant chat, locate the specific message you want to share. This could be a message from you or from someone else in the conversation. Take a moment to confirm that this is exactly the content you want to share, especially if it includes sensitive or internal information, because the link will give others access to that part of the conversation. Now, move your mouse over the message. When you hover over it, you should see a small toolbar appear next to the message. On that toolbar, look for the three dots, often called More Options. Click on these three dots. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take on that message. From the menu, select Copy Link. As soon as you click this, Teams will automatically copy a direct link to that message to your clipboard. You won't always see a big confirmation pop up, so don't worry if it looks like nothing happened. The link is now ready to be pasted. Next, go to wherever you want to share this message link. This might be another Teams chat, a channel, an email, a document, or even another app your team uses. Click into the text area and paste the link using your usual paste shortcut. Before sending, it's a good idea to add a short note explaining what the link is about, so the person receiving it knows why you're sharing it. And that's it. You've successfully copied and shared a message link in Microsoft Teams, making it easier for others to quickly find the exact